Hi everyone, today I am going to cook a very quick and easy recipe of bhindi fry. For this I have taken around 250 grams of chopped bhindi or okra, 2 thinly sliced onions, chopped garlic, ajwain seeds or carom seeds, mango powder, salt, turmeric powder, chili powder and coriander powder. First of all, I am going to heat some oil in a pan and add the okra or bhindi and fry it up nicely until it turns slightly brown in color. Now I am going to transfer the fried bhindi into another bowl. Next, I am going to heat up some oil in the pan and add the carom seeds, garlic, and fry it up for a couple of seconds. Now I am going to add the thinly sliced onions and fry them up nicely until they turn golden brown in color. Next, I am going to add all the dry spices, salt, a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a teaspoon of coriander powder, a teaspoon of chili powder, and a teaspoon of mango powder. Now I am going to mix it well and fry it up for a couple of seconds. Next, I am going to add in the fried bhindi and mix it all up together. Next, we are going to cover and cook it for another 3 to 4 minutes. Now, as you can see, the bhindi is nicely cooked and is ready to serve.